Depression and mental illness is still a taboo topic in many societies, and often due to fear of being stigmatized. People do not share their emotions. In our Successful Fijian segment tonight, Sarah Osborne opens up about her struggles with mental illness, which she only discovered at the age of 25. Josiah Nunga reports Osborne defied all odds and fought against her illness, and is now championing the campaign to assist those Fijians who may be going through the same problems.
I did not have anyone, I would say, to be able to talk to, so I actually kept everything within me.
Sarah Osborne was gripped with anxiety and started avoiding her friends following her parents' separation. She was only in class 8.
When I was in the classroom, I was present physically, but mentally I wasn't there. The teacher could be teaching, but it's like I could not hear. And when it came to exam, I did not, did not perform well. Back then, I didn't know that those were signs and symptoms of depression.
Osborne says she was unable to concentrate on her studies, and at the age of 19, decided to settle with her partner, hoping this will help deal with her emotional status. But things did not go as planned.
I experienced a lot of abuse in the relationship, physically, verbally abused, to the extent that I had to move back home with my 2 children, and we got divorced.
She slowly evaluated her life after moving back with her grandparents.
It was through my brother. He's a person confined to the wheelchair, and next to our office is Spinal Injury Association. So I would accompany him when he comes to work, and that's how I met this friend of mine. I was amazed at how we met, and she just opened up, She just opened up, which gave me that feeling that, okay, she's been through that, I think. So I started opening up to her, and I tell you, that feeling after sharing, after actually taking everything out, it was like a heavy taken off my shoulder.
Being able to talk to someone about her problems helped Osborne to slowly start believing in herself. 5 years after being diagnosed with mental illness, Sarah says she refused to let her health problems rule her life. Through constant help, she was able to overcome her problems and now heads the Psychiatric Survivor Association, assisting hundreds of Fijians who are experiencing stress or mental illness.
This is a coping mechanism for me, and I heal every day with helping people, and also because I feel that they understand me, and when they talk to me, they also feel the same way. We understand each other, we know how it feels. We've been through the same experience.
The mother of 3 is urging people going through any form of stress to take a step forward and open up. Josiah Nunga, FBC News.